everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a very simple plant-based recipe dinner idea. So I'm going to tell you exactly what you need, and I'm going to show you how I'm putting this together. It's very easy. I got a carton of extra firm tofu. I have a large sweet potato. I have some spices here. I have onion powder and garlic powder, but you can use whatever spices you want. I have an avocado, which I'm going to eat on the side, and some hot sauce. So that's all you need. This is a chili garlic sauce, but any kind of hot sauce will do. And the first thing you do is you want to dry out the tofu. So what I did is, this is a block of extra firm tofu, and I wrapped it up in paper towels for about 30 minutes. And I put a plate on top of it and below it, so that way it kind of dries out the tofu. So that's the first step. And then once that dries out for about 30 minutes, you unwrap it, and then I'm gonna cut the tofu into some slices. And the sweet potato I'm gonna cook in the Instapot, but basically you can just steam a sweet potato or boil a sweet potato, and then I have the oven preheating to 400 because I'm gonna put the tofu in the oven. So it's basically just cooking, steaming or boiling a sweet potato, and we're gonna bake some tofu. So the tofu I'm gonna cut lengthwise, and then I'm going to cut lengthwise again. Or in fact, I'm gonna cut it lengthwise, then I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna cut it lengthwise again. So they're gonna be in these little rectangles, not too thick. And so essentially I'm gonna have 8 pieces of tofu once they're all cut up. So cut it lengthwise, cut it in half, and then cut it lengthwise again. So there's gonna be 8 of these rectangles here. And I'm gonna eat this whole thing. So this is like 1 block of tofu that I'll be consuming here for this meal. And once we have this on the thing here to bake, I'm gonna put on some spices. So here's what I'm gonna put on: a little bit of garlic powder, and we're gonna put on some onion powder. And that's gonna be it. You can put salt and pepper, whatever spices you want. So we're just gonna bake this in the oven for 15 minutes at 400, and then I just flip the tofu after 15 minutes and do another 15 minutes. So it's 30 minutes total, 15 minutes on each side. And when I flip the tofu in 15 minutes, what I'll do is I'll put the spices on the other side. And then, like I said, just steam or boil or cook a large sweet potato in an Instapot. I sliced it up so it's in several slices. And then I'll be back when this is done cooking and show you what I got. And there it is, cooked and ready to eat. I got the seasoned tofu, I got the sweet potato with the hot sauce, and I have an avocado on the side. So again, very simple dinner. I like having things like this sometimes. Let me know what you think about this. Try something like this out. It's just so easy and inexpensive and simple to make. So I think it tastes great. So that was it. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.